class? I just want to know, did you take acting class in third grade? That's what I want to know, because I took acting class in third grade and I absolutely loved it. Shalom, family. Welcome back to the channel. That's not the topic today, but you need to know about this because the market is crashing. And we're going to break down for you so you understand what you should do when the market is crashing and whether you should get out, get in, or do something else, and what you need to invest in this month before the month is over so that you can come out in a better situation and live your life in Mauritius, Seychelles, Kenya, South Africa, Ghana, wherever you want to go. You can be living your dream life if you have the right knowledge.
You got to ask yourself, which one sounds better? 1,500 transactions per second or 7 transactions per second? When you're thinking about banking, when you're thinking about things of that nature in the banking system, right? Which one sounds better? You choose. I know which one I'll choose. Look, this is what's happening right now. It's going to be a big shift that people are not ready for. Are you going to be ready for it? This is what we've been talking about for, I want to say, the last year, because the Most High revealed to us like, hey, you really got to think about what is to come and get behind the scenes. You have to be behind the scenes because once they flip the switch to this banking system and everybody catches on, it's not going to be good for the people that's late. So right now is a perfect time to get in. Don't worry about all the red. This is a good sign. This is a good sign. And this is why I keep telling people you have to understand the charts. You have to understand what is really going on right now because they are setting something up that is going to be very, very powerful for the right people at the right time. So if you really don't know what's going on, just pay attention because pretty soon, and this next week, this next couple months is going to be a big shift. I know you guys been hearing about the U.S. President Trump, right? Talking about crypto this, having crypto summit this, he listed actually 4 or 5 cryptos, right? Why did he do that? You got to ask yourself that. Why did he list these cryptos? Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, ADA, you get what I'm saying? Solana, right? Why did he do that? But the market's still going down. The stock market's going down. The crypto market's going down. Everything's going down right now.
So if you guys are new here, we are investors and entrepreneurs, okay? We have a few core businesses, marketing, finance, and we provide marketing services for real estate and finance agencies. But my husband, he knows the tea on investing and has been able to hedge our business investments like crazy in the past 2 years. So I woke up this morning and I just decided to check our app, which is SoFi. You can get a referral code below and sign up because they have high yield savings, 3% to be specific. But I checked my app and every stock was down. And remember, I'm in Mauritius, Africa, so I see these things before you and I'm like, oh my gosh, everything's down. What's happening? You look at the news and Trump is like, I don't want to call it a recession yet. Now, the U.S. government is talking about how they're going to potentially do a lockdown, a freeze on the government because of all the chaos, but mostly around the R word recession, which he doesn't want to fully come out and say either way if it's a recession. And he was kind of hinting at it, but not really saying it in depth, not really saying like what's really going on, which frustrated some of the Democrats and some of the other people in the House that may or may not understand finance. So we're going to see a divide right now with people that are like, oh my gosh, what do I do with the market? Do I sell? Do I buy? What do I do? And it's like, if you're not an entrepreneur, and on top of that, if you're not an entrepreneur who also has a financial advisor to hedge their investments, you are going to lose money. Or you'll look at what's happening right now and be like, oh my gosh, I'm selling everything off. I'm not going to buy anything. I'm just going back to work at a 9-to-5. Don't do that. This is literally going to change the rest of your life once you understand the technical analysis skill, which I'm so glad my husband knows how to do because I'm not gifted in that. I'm naturally a writer, a strategist, a business consultant, but when reading those charts and he tells me how to invest in the stocks, he invests in crypto, it's like that is the perfect way to combine what you're doing as a business owner, your profits that you're generating from your business as an online education consultant, as somebody that is working online, as somebody who has any type of business. When you combine finance strategy, then you're going to win because you can hedge your investments. And so if the market dips a little, or if you have a slow season in business, you can rely on your investments and vice versa. It's the perfect strategy that everybody needs to know. But this is a critical time because we're experiencing right now, I believe, is the great economic reset of 2025.
Reset, it is. It's going to be a reset. Like, you got to think about like what's been said, like what's been really hyping up the past 15 years, right? And that's cryptocurrency, that's digital asset. And what I noticed with the US president, Trump, what he did in the cryptocurrency summit recently, I want to say last Friday, he said digital assets. So when you're getting into this space, you got to think about these cryptocurrencies as an asset, right? As like a house, as like a, something that you're really investing in. So I know a lot of people that hit me up and say, hey, man, I put some money in and then it's going down, so I got out. You really have to hold on until the end. You got to endure to the end with any situation, really. And once you really get into this word of the Most High, really get into the word of the scriptures, this is something that you just practice every day, and when technical analysis also, this goes hand in hand. You're understanding where price can go, where it can stop, where it's going to have a nice little floor, nice little support area, where it's going to continue to bounce back up. You will know where it's going to stop, and you can say, hey, I'm selling my investment now because I think it's going to drop back down. So when I'm talking about the skill set, it is very, very important for people to know, especially if you're investing your money and you're trying to get serious with investing. This is the perfect skill set to know. My wife was just saying about a reset. Everything that is red right now, everything is being liquidated. Everything is being manipulated, right? Everything is getting snatched up because this is what's happening in the market. Everything's being sold off so they can have a reset to this digital asset world. This is going to happen no matter what. Like, the US is literally telling you what they're going to do. They still want the dollar to be strong, and this is a way that they can do it. I'm not a financial advisor, but I'm just saying this is what is going to happen. So take it or leave it. But as somebody that reads the charts, you can kind of see what's going to happen in the future. So I'm just coming on here to let you guys know, hey, this is something serious. And if you are in the right position, especially right now, especially before this new year comes up, and I'm going to keep saying it, this new year coming up, the next couple of days is going to be very crucial. So just make sure you be in the right position, please. Please be in the right position.
Yeah, education is key. That's what I was thinking about when you were just saying that, like, you have to be in it for the long haul. If you're someone that's looking at investing and you just want to throw money at the wall, you're going to lose all the money you threw at the wall. We can guarantee it. That's just not how you go about doing anything in life. You don't do business like that. You obviously didn't do that when you went to college. You don't do that with anything unless you're looking to lose your money. Instead, he teaches people, my husband, he teaches people how to look at things from a technical analysis perspective, meaning pull up the charts, set support and resistance to see where the floor is going to be so you can figure out if the market is going to go up or down and hedge your resources. That way, even if the market goes down, you're still making money. If the market goes up, you're still making money. If the market goes down, you see it as an opportunity like, oh snap, we can invest in an Apple in the next few days. Or, oh snap, we can invest in some more gold because it's basically at a discount. But you will not know these things if you're depending on random signals, random people to tell you this, random people to tell you that, and you don't understand the core skill of technical analysis. So check out the link in the description. My husband has 5 slots available for you, but only This is only for people who value education. If you want to throw money at a wall, throw it at a wall on your own time. But when he serves clients, and he only takes 5 clients per month, when he serves clients, he sits on these 90-minute sessions with them and teaches them how to fish for themselves. So if you want to fish for yourself, you should check out the link in the description. He'll talk to you soon.